What? It's your girl Jazz.
This me Orlando too.
And we are back with another video.
And we finna make cookies.
Yes, so in today's video for Christmas Eve, decided why not make some Christmas cookies with Orlando.
Yeah.
He wants to make some cookies to leave for Santa Claus in the morning.
Yes,
so we're going to be making these
Santa
cookies.
Claus.
If you guys are excited for this video, make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new, turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every single time that we post. And make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. All the links will be down in the description. But we're going to get right into this video. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, today we will be using sugar cookie dough. Just some regular sugar cookie
Guys,
dough.
look what this says.
And then we have some butter spray. That way we can spray our pans. That way they won't stick. Because unfortunately, your girl forgot to get some foil, some aluminum foil from the store. And I was not going back because it is hectic. Comment down below if y'all's stores today are hectic. Because like I said, today is Christmas Eve. I'm going to try to have this video up today. But the store was so crazy. And then going into the store with a little person, you know what I'm saying?
The little person.
Yeah, it can be kind of hectic. But anyways, we're going to cut this open. And then we're going to put our cookies on the sheet. And by the way, so that this comes out as quickly as possible, I let this sit out for about an hour before we did this video. I didn't want to have to be trying to... Y'all know how hard it is to get cookie dough out of the wrapping like this. But, you ready?
Yeah.
I don't need that right now. We're going to do this one first.
Guys.
So we gotta get a little bit, and then you can ball it up. You know, you gotta roll it so that it's like the shape of a cookie. And I'm gonna go ahead and spray the pan. There we go. Yep, so you rolling it. I'm gonna give me some too. And by the way, our hands are clean. We washed our hands, right? Yeah, we washed our hands with soap and water.
Guys, you see my hands? You see my hands, bitch? That's why I wash my hands.
And I'm not necessarily a big fan of sugar cookies. I'm more of a chocolate chip girl, so we're not going to make that many of these. I just want to make enough for him to be able to decorate and to leave some for Santa Claus.
Look.
Yeah, so this is it right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we both got some. And then we're just going to stick it on here so that it can bake into a cookie. So we got 4 in here. We got our 4 cookies in here.
Yeah, guys, we got 4.
And then I have another pan that I'm going to be using. I'm going to grease this down. And we're going to put a couple of cookies on here as well. We're going to be right back after we have all of the cookies rolled out.
See this, guys?
Yeah, we got the cookies on here. We did 6 right here. And we have 4 cookies right here. They are pretty big. I really hope that they come out the right way.
And these are really
And we did use the whole tube. So we're just doing this for fun. And you said how many Santa Claus want?
Yeah, I want 3.
You want 3 or Santa Claus want 3?
Santa Claus want 3.
And how many you want?
I want 4.
Of course he does, but he's not getting 4 of them. You're not getting 4. That's too much sugar. That's way too much sugar. We're going to put these in the oven. And then we're going to get back to you guys once they're done. I'm so excited because I'm ready for the decorating process. I'm probably going to decorate one myself just because. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Make sure you guys are subscribing and liking this video. And I hope you guys are having a very, very, very nice Christmas Eve. I know this Christmas a lot of people are not going to be around family. Actually, me and my husband, we actually have to work Christmas Day. That's why I'm trying to do something with him today. Most people start in the morning opening presents and everything, but tomorrow evening is when we're actually going to be able to have our Christmas. So I just wanted to do a little something with him with the cookies and to have a little fun before, you know, tomorrow. So
Guys.
I'll be right back.
Guys, so the cookies that stopped done, and now we finna make them. They not so hot.
Yeah, they're not. We let the cookies cool for a while. This is how they came out. They came out pretty big. Like really big. You see how big that one is?
Yeah.
We have some cream cheese icing. We have some sprinkles. Some red, white, and blue sprinkles. What color is that?
And we have some yellow colors.
Yeah, we have some yellow icing, some blue icing.
We have some icing.
We have purple. And we also have orange. Yeah. And I also have napkins here so we can do our cookies on a napkin. But what we're going to do is spread the cream cheese on top of the cookies first to give it a base. And then we are going to put sprinkles. And I'm going to let him basically decorate the cookies how he wants to for Santa Claus. The only thing is they didn't have any red, any green, like any Christmas colors left. So this is all we were left with. Oh, there's stuff on there. Whoa! That's a lot. You can spread it around with your fingers.
It's so good. You look so good, but I gotta put it all over.
You want to try your cookie? You want to try eating it?
Yeah.
Let's get your reaction.
Mmm.
You like it?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to come back to you guys when we actually finish decorating our 2 cookies. So stay tuned. These are the cookies that we made. Let me show you guys up close. So I did this one. It says Santa. And I did this one. It says Snail Family. Orlando, he made these for Santa Claus. Woo! They have a lot of sprinkles on them.
I made one for me.
And he made this one. He made this one for himself. And we still have like 3 plain cookies left. And I've been eating on this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are enjoying your Christmas Eve. If you are, make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe if you're feeling your girl Jess. Bye. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Tell them bye.